Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to change the language in Google Chrome. Whether you're setting up a new device or just switching to a preferred language, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Once it's up and running, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on them to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can customize various aspects of your browser. Next, scroll down until you find the Languages section. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling or use the search bar at the top of the Settings page to type in Languages. Once you're in the Languages section, tap on Add Language. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through or use the search bar to find your preferred language. When you locate it, click on it and then hit Add. Now that your preferred language is added, you'll need to set it as the default. Look for your newly added language in the list and click on the 3 dots next to it. From the options that appear, select Display Google Chrome in this language. Finally, Chrome will prompt you to relaunch the browser for the changes to take effect. Click Relaunch, and when Chrome reopens, its interface will now appear in your chosen language. And that's it! You've successfully changed the language in Google Chrome. This adjustment ensures that menus, settings, and other interface elements display in your preferred language. If you ever need to switch back or choose a different language, simply follow these steps again. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to explore more tips and tricks for optimizing your browsing experience.